It's a genuine honor to stand before you today at Donso Shipping Meet, a gathering where innovation meets responsibility and where the conversations we will have can shape the very future of our industry. I am Yankı Yıldırım Arda, representing RMK Marine Shipyard, and on behalf of our team, I would like to thank the organizers and all of you for creating such an inspiring event. Before I begin, let me apologize for my voice. I've lost it a couple of days ago, and please bear with me for the next 20 minutes and think of it as an exclusive version of whispered presentation, and I'll try my best. So today I will speak to you about a vision we hold close at RMK Marine, future-ready shipbuilding. What does it truly mean for us, and how are we integrating it and bringing it to life in the vessels we deliver? Before diving into today's topic, I would like to briefly introduce RMK Marine. Located in Tuzla, Istanbul, RMK Marine is a part of Koç Group, one of the largest and most respected industrial groups in Turkey. And over the years, we have established ourselves as a boutique yet capable shipyard, offering flexible, client-focused solutions while maintaining high standards in quality, engineering, and innovation. So whether we are building to highly specific military standards or tailoring unique designs for our private clients, our strength lies in our capability to combine advanced know-how with agility and personalized service. So we are large enough to handle complex programs, yet small enough to be personal, responsive, and transparent. So we make decisions quickly and we can adapt to evolving requirements quickly. On one hand, we are a boutique shipyard fueled by a bold ambition to pioneer cleaner, smarter, and sustainable future for maritime industry. And on the other hand, we are backed by the Turkey's largest private conglomerate. We stand on a foundation of financial strength and unwavering commitment, empowering us to turn visionary ideas into reality. So today, shipping moves over 80% of global trade, and yet it accounts for nearly 3% of global greenhouse gas emissions. That might seem small until you consider the scale. So if shipping were a country, it would be among the world's top emitters, and the change we make here will have a global impact. So the maritime industry is entering into a decade of transformation, not by choice, but by necessity. So we are navigating a sea of challenges. The regulations are accelerating. As you all know, with IMO's 215 targets, EU ETS implementation, and the push for alternative fuels, compliance is no longer optional, but it's urgent, complex, and central to every decision. From design phase to shipyard production and vessel life cycle management, digital tools are revolutionizing every step. Digitalization improves precision and efficiency. Remote monitoring systems are enhancing safety, reducing downtime, and lowering operational cost. So as you all know, technology is transforming operations. Also, supply chains are tightening. Global disruptions, material costs, and skilled labor shortages are pressuring timelines and resilience. And environmental expectations are rising across the maritime ecosystem, from charterers, regulators, and financiers to customers and to wider public. There is increasing pressure on shipbuilders and operators to provide sustainable, low-emission vessels and solutions. So this goes beyond the vessel itself, actually. Stakeholders now look at the entire life cycles, how ships are designed, what materials are used, and how efficiently they are built, and at the yards, how they manage energy, waste, and emissions. So sustainability is no longer a differentiator. It's a baseline expectation, both on board the vessel and within the shipyard. So these changes bring technical, operational, and commercial challenges, but they also open a window of opportunity for innovation. So we see this not just as a regulatory shift, but as a challenge, one that calls creativity, agility, and partnership. So we believe the most future-ready shipyards will be those that turn this compliance into competitive advantage. And that's exactly what we are working to achieve. At RMK Marine, being future-ready is more than just preparing for what's next. So we don't just build ships. We design, engineer, and deliver tailored maritime solutions, combining technology, craftsmanship, and client-centric thinking. And this mindset is embedded across 4 strategic pillars. Sustainable by design, so we approach every project with sustainability at its core, integrating alternative fuels, energy-efficient systems, and emission reduction technologies from the earliest design phase. So we are smart through technology. Tomorrow's vessels must be as intelligent as they are efficient. So we embed digital solutions like advanced automation, real-time monitoring, and digital twins to optimize performance and simplify maintenance. And as a boutique shipyard, we have the flexibility to adapt quickly to new technologies, modify designs mid-build, and work closely with owners and to meet their specific operational goals. And collaborating with European designers and suppliers and international owners, bringing together diverse expertise while preserving the precision and skill of Turkish shipbuilding. So future readiness is about building the capability to lead through the change, not just anticipate it. RMK Marine's Green Innovation Path. So at RMK Marine, we are building pathways to a cleaner maritime future. And over the past years, our team embraced alternative propulsion efficiency solutions, coming to future fuel ready. So we design vessels prepared and ready to adopt emerging low and zero carbon fuels such as methanol, LNG, and ammonia. And also hybrid electric systems by ensuring flexibility in propulsion. Design, we enable ship owners to transition seamlessly as fuel infrastructure evolves. Also, precision performance, from hydrodynamically optimized hull forms to advanced propeller design. We maximize fuel efficiency without compromising speed or capacity. Also, we integrate renewable assistive technologies such as wind power systems, energy recovery systems, and solar panels. And in our own operations, as green shipyard practices, from waste reduction, recycling programs, to energy recovery systems, we are doing every environmental management system as much as we can. So this is what future ready means for us, not waiting for the change to happen, but getting ready for it. So now allow me to bring some real-world examples from our shipyard. So I'll start with Energy Stockholm, Europe's largest inland LNG bunker vessel, proudly built at RMK Marine. What makes her so special is not just her size, but the advanced green technologies she has. So this vessel is powered by a hybrid electric dual-fuel propulsion system, so she can operate either on pure LNG or on diesel generators, which are compatible with biodiesel. So this flexibility makes her both cleaner and more resilient in the transition period that we are living through. And she is also designed to capture and reuse boil-off gas instead of wasting it. That gas is refed into the engines as fuel, so it's a smart and sustainable solution that saves energy and reduces emissions. Energy Stockholm is also equipped with 500 kilowatt-hour battery pack, giving her up to half an hour of silent zero-emission operation, and this is especially important in the ports or sensitive areas where every gram of emission matters. She also connects directly to shore power while docked, meaning the engines stay off, air stays clean, and neighbors stay happy. So Energy Stockholm is a milestone and a proof that with smart design, collaboration and innovation, shipbuilding can actively lead the green transition. Let me now turn to another example of what future-ready shipping looks like. And this is Neoliner Origin, the world's largest wind-powered cargo vessel. What makes her so unique is that she was designed from the ground up to harness the power of the wind. Equipped with two composite solid sail rigs designed by Chantier de l'Atlantique, each approximately 76 meters tall and spanning total 3,000 square meters, Neoliner Origin can generate up to 70% of her propulsion entirely from renewable energy. And these masts are tiltable, allowing the vessel pass through the bridges safely and access major ports without compromising performance. At 136 meters long, she can carry more than 250 containers, roll-on-roll of cargo, even luxury yachts, all while reducing CO2 emissions by up to 80% comparing to conventional freighters. She's a modern cargo ship, but one that listens to the lessons from maritime history, proving that wind power can once again drive global trade. For us at RMK Marine, Neoliner Origin is not only a technical achievement, but also a symbol that shipbuilding can be bold, visionary, and sustainable, and that together we can chart a new course for shipping in 21st century. So let me now share another example, inspiring example of where our industry is headed. So this is the Windcoup project, the world's first sail-powered container vessel, designed from keel up for sustainability. At 90 meters long, she will carry around 210 containers, including refrigerated cargo, and be powered primarily by 3 large rigid wing sails. So with this configuration, she will reduce CO2 emissions by nearly 60% compared to conventional cargo ships, while maintaining averagely 9 knot speeds. And when the wind is low, a small auxiliary engine ensures continuity of the service. But what makes Windcoup truly unique is not just the technology, actually it's the model. So this vessel is financed and owned through a cooperative structure where citizens, businesses, and local communities have all invested together. Already more than 1,600 members have joined, making it not only a ship, but a shared mission. So the ship's first route will connect Marseille to Madagascar and bringing goods directly to island ports without transshipment. So the Windcoup project shows us that the future of maritime is not only about cleaner ships, but it's also about new ways of building, financing, and sharing responsibility for our oceans. It's an example that inspires us at RMK Marine as we continue shaping our own future-ready shipping vision. So the latest example I will mention is Celsius, our latest contract, the new LNG and bio-LNG bunker ship we are currently building at RMK Marine, together with Sirius Shipping and Gasum. So Celsius represents a new generation of bunker vessels, built not only to serve today's energy needs, but also to align with tomorrow's decarbonization goals. She's 112.9 meters long with a capacity of 7,800 cubic meters. Her design is Ice Class 1A, and she has take-me-home redundancy to guarantee safe operation, even under the harshest conditions. But what really sets Celsius apart are her advanced green technologies. She's equipped with a hybrid battery system that reduces emissions through peak shaving, delivering much higher efficiency in both her main and auxiliary dual-fuel engines. And in addition to that, she carries a 27.7 megawatt gas combustion unit, giving her the unique capability to warm up and cool down the cargo tanks of the other vessels during bunkering. And this makes her not only sustainable, but also extremely versatile in service. So for us at RMK Marine, Celsius is a proof point that through collaboration with forward-thinking partners like Sirius Shipping and Gasum, we can deliver practical, future-ready solutions for the shipping industry. The challenges facing the maritime industry today, decarbonization, regulatory pressures, technological disruption, are too complex for any individual company or country to solve alone. So the green transition demands a collective effort where the shipyards, technology providers, ship owners, regulators, and research institutions need to come together to innovate, share knowledge, and build solutions that work in harmony. So we see collaboration not as an option, but as a necessity. Our experience shows that the most successful projects arise from early and deep partnerships. Boutique shipyards like ours offer a unique advantage into this ecosystem. So we can serve as agile proving grounds for cutting-edge green technologies. We foster close, transparent relationships that accelerate problem solving. So we adapt quickly to owner needs and emerging regulations, making innovation practical and efficient. So by combining global vision with local expertise, we share ambition with complementary strength. We can not only meet the demands of today's shipping industry, but shape a sustainable future that benefits us all. So for us, future-ready shipping will be defined by the boldness of ideas and the courage to bringing them to life. So we believe that innovation and craftsmanship are not opposites, but they are partners. So when you bring them together with purpose, you create ships that serve people, protect the planet, and carry the maritime industry to its next chapter. So thank you very much for the opportunity to share our vision, and I look forward to the conversations we will have during this remarkable event. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Janke. You mentioned some type of vessels, examples of vessels. What is the typical delivery time for a customized and low-emission ship?
Actually, it depends on what type of equipment the vessel needs, because also it depends on the lead times of the equipment you need to install in these vessels. But I would say a minimum 2 years it's needed to come up with a low-emission, feature-ready new build project.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. And a very intimate discussion with the customer, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's your first time attending to Dunsi Shipping Meet, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So what is your expectation so far?
Actually, I think we have already met our expectations, because why we come here was to kind of like networking, to meet new customers, because this event is so unique and like small, and it's easier to communicate with the correct people here. And so I think we have already done that.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So what is your dream company or collaboration that you would like to bring home?
Of course, another new building project like the Celsius we are building with Sirius Shipping now.